In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly how to take an existing sheet or project and save it into the right workspace, so it's organized and easy for your team to find. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. From your Smartsheet home screen, look for the left-hand navigation panel. There, you'll see an option labeled Browse. Go ahead and click on Browse. This opens up a view of all your workspaces, folders, and individual items so you can easily see where everything is stored. Next, from this Browse view, select the project that contains the sheet you want to move. This might be a folder, a specific project area, or a section where your current sheet is stored. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place, especially if you have multiple projects with similar names. Once you've found the item you want to move, look for the checkbox next to its name. Click that checkbox to select it. You should see that row become highlighted, indicating it's now active and ready for actions to be applied. If you select the wrong item, simply uncheck it and choose the correct sheet instead. With the sheet selected, look towards the top of the screen for a menu option labeled Actions. Click on Actions to open a drop-down menu of options related to that sheet. From this menu, choose Save as New. This doesn't delete the original, it creates a new copy that you can place in the workspace you prefer. A dialog box will appear, asking where you want to save the new version. In this dialog, click on Browse. This will open a directory-style view of your folders and workspaces. Now, select the workspace where you want the new copy of the Smartsheet to live. Take care to choose the correct workspace, especially if different teams or departments share the same environment. Once you've highlighted the right workspace, click OK to confirm your choice. You'll be brought back to the Save dialog, now showing the workspace you selected. If needed, you can adjust the sheet name here to avoid confusion with the original. When everything looks good, click Save. Smartsheet will now create a new copy of your sheet in the workspace you selected.